Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into another video, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is just going to be something short and sweet. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this no makeup look, something very neutral, something very natural. Everything is also going to be listed down in the description box below, so sit back, relax, take notes, and enjoy. Alright y'all, so I'm starting off with this Laneige Water Bank Moisturizer. If you don't have this in your kit, then get on it. I promise you will not be disappointed. Going in to set this moisturizer with my Airspun translucent powder. I saw this hack on TikTok and I absolutely love it. This holds my makeup in place. Going right in after that with my Morphe setting spray and my Pore Be Gone matte moisturizer, and that is from First Aid Beauty. I love the way these products work together. Perfect for heavy duty makeup. Going in with my Morphe contour stick. I have a Morphe haul coming soon. Don't mind my nose contour, y'all. I was rushing. I have 15 minutes to do this makeup. But yeah, Morphe haul video is coming soon. I think I'm gonna upload that next after my ABH video, so stay tuned for that. So for my no makeup look, I like to go in with this Rare Beauty concealer just because it really gives me that really natural finish. I know it looks like super orange on camera, but in person it's really more of like a chestnut brown. I want to take a second and get into my new favorite product so far of the year, which is the ABH Brow Freeze. It is like got to be or edge control for my brows. I'm in the process of growing my brows back out, so I'm going to be growing them out for the next couple months or so. So this definitely helps me snatch the shit out of my brows. Going in with some setting powder on top. Sorry, I feel like I can't talk. But going in with some setting powder on top of that brow freeze just to really pack it in. And then blending out my concealer after letting it sit for a while with my favorite Juvia's Place. And then going right back behind that with a damp beauty sponge. This just really helps me. You guys are going to see how this ultimately just melts into my skin. If you haven't already, go check out my Juvia's Place review. I'm using the Bronzer Duo in Dark Deep. I featured this and I talked about this in my last video. So if you haven't seen it, then after this video, go check it out. Going back in with my brows. Well, not going back in, but going in with my brows. I absolutely love this brow pencil from Juvia's Place. It absolutely gives me, like, look at that effect. Like, it's really giving microblade. Like, that does not look like what my brows really look like or what it looked like in the beginning of this video. Using that Rare Beauty concealer just to conceal, to make sure all of my concealed areas are uniform. Blending that out and setting with the same damp beauty sponge. Let's just get into how flawless and clean my skin looks. Like, this routine is everything, y'all, okay? It's everything. Make sure y'all taking notes, okay? I'm going in with some light eyeshadow. I think this was the bronzer, and I just used some Morphe brow gel from my Arch Obsessions 5-piece brow kit. This is my favorite mascara ever. I think I'm gonna do a video on my favorite beauty products that I can't live without. That was the Pat McGrath mascara, and this blush palette from the beauty supply store. I can't remember if this is Nika K or Absolute, but I am obsessed with the color payoff from that blush palette. Y'all need to get your hands on it, especially my girls of deep dark skin tones like mine, okay? So you already know, applying some lash glue to my lash line so that way I can just boop boop pop these lashes on. This method makes everything so much easier. Now I think I was down to about 8 minutes left and I had to let go. I picked up these baby lashes, and I call them baby lashes because they're so short compared to what I usually wear, but you know, we going for something natural and very calm, very simple. You guys are gonna see why I was doing very natural makeup in the second part of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Highlighting is my favorite part of doing my makeup, using this little paintbrush with a highlighter from the same blush palette that I got. Check the description down below if you guys want to cop up. Moving on to my lip combo. This is going to be like an everyday nude, like pinkish kind of lip. So going in with the Richie lip liner from Morphe. And it's just a regular like dark brown. It's like a cool brown lip pencil. So lining my lips with that, and then I'm going in with this baby pink lipstick. Not too much, just applying to the middle, just because I really want this to be concentrated. Now going in on top of that with the Saturn Madison Beer collab with Morphe, that lip gloss, and this Sephora collection clear gloss. This just absolutely melts everything in. This completes the look. Very clean, very simple, and blam. What's up, you guys? So this is really dark. Good morning, well, good afternoon. Happy Labor Day, y'all. We are getting ready to go see this waterfall here in Georgia. This is my first Labor Day outside of New York, so the festivities are a little different. It's raining, as you can see by the window. It's really quiet, which is something I am really not used to. But yeah, we're gonna have fun. Yeah, so I'll link you guys when we get to the waterfall so I can show you the beautiful festivities. We just got here. Babe, say hi. So we just got here. It's definitely a little walk down. We gotta go down this damn path. I have on the wrong pants, wrong shoes, everything. But I'm happy that I made it outside. Hello. Hi. There's like dogs everywhere, so it's like a little nature park type of vibe. It's packed. There are a lot of people out. I ain't walking all the way back up here to eat.
Oh, okay.
If we down there, we down there. I ain't coming back up these rocks. Ugh. Hot as Stella Collective, by the way. Necklaces, Stella Collective. So we just ate. I had Jersey Mike. We took pictures. Got the wine popping. That's one thing about us. We always gonna be lit. Always gonna get lit. But oh my goodness, look at this guy. He is holding on for dear life, y'all. He is holding on for dear life. We're just here vibing out. I hope you guys have a great Labor Day. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.